Hello, everybody.
Pozerycki, Arpino, full bath, just around 1,500 square feet, all above grade. Gorgeous backyard that we're going to see. The deck I'm standing on is recently done. No maintenance here, no wood. The walkway that Linda panned over to before, that was recently done as well. I'm going to repeat myself. You're going to be hearing this a lot from me as we walk through the house. Recently done, recently renovated, etc.
Can you just repeat the address? We were off for a few minutes in case it didn't go through.
26 Pleasant Terrace in Leominster, Massachusetts. And you're going to come on inside. You're going to come up, again, the deck that was redone a few years ago. No wood here, so there's no maintenance. And you're going to enter right into...
And I'm going to show you a quick little peek of the backyard.
See.
Wait till you see. Oh, that's it. That's all you get.
In full disclosure, this home is owned by my sister, so I know lots about it, so I will be adding in some detail of family gathering.
And she has a beautiful name. Just saying.
Oh, good. Didn't catch that. Nice. So this kitchen was completely redone in 2013, including the hardwood floors, the electric, all the appliances. They added in pendant lighting and recessed lighting there. Beautiful solid counters, gas stove.
That does vent outside.
No. Yes. Okay. And I love the nice big window over the kitchen sink so you can sneak peek again to your backyard.
Plenty of cabinet space. There's more than you can count as I'm spinning around, because there's also some, because you saw the breakfast bar when we came in, and then on the other side there's the lower cabinets as well. Hi, Bill.
If you look up here, they have 4 of these throughout the home. They are split systems. They're heat pumps and AC units, very efficient. I have them at my house as well, and I don't know why we didn't put them in a lot sooner. They're wonderful units.
So I love how they made a little built-in spot.
That
For
TV
the
will
TV?
stay. All the kitchen appliances remain with the home, including the TV that's there.
Nice. It's a perfect spot for it.
It is.
And then this was, I'm just going to show you the door we came in.
So you're going to have hardwood throughout most of this downstairs except for one of the bedrooms, and we'll get to that in a little bit.
And did you say, sorry, that they expanded the kitchen?
They did. No, I didn't say that, but yes, they did. Linda, that's why you're here. They bumped out the kitchen here, and they did it the right way, and you'll see that when we go outside. There is a full basement underneath. So the bump out of the kitchen, which I believe starts at about here, was done with a full basement underneath.
Yeah, they've done a lot. They've been here for a long time, and they've done a lot of work. They, did very smart designing, because when they built it, like the Keeps where the upstairs was not even finished. They added here, they finished another room that Bill talked about, so.
Right. They put the full shed dormer on up there. I remember, I think, lugging shingles and just being a laborer because I know nothing about the construction. Through these doors is the convenient washer and dryer.
Nice.
Electric dryer, but there's gas in the house, so you can always convert over. Into the living room with beautiful hardwood, plenty of windows. And you probably heard this on past videos. The older homes seem to have more windows than the newer homes. So you're gonna get nice natural sunlight throughout. Wood burning fireplace that was always going during our family gatherings. Linda had Thanksgiving.
Linda is her sister's name, so not me.
Yes, not you. Not
Linda, his sister.
I go Sister Linda.
And she's not a nun.
But yeah, wonderful family gatherings here. I mean, you can, as we go through, you'll be able to picture yourself doing the exact same thing.
And then that behind Bill is that front door. So we came in sort of the side door that comes in off the deck into the kitchen. That's the traditional front door. And look at the archway he's standing under. Look how beautiful it's kind of that curved. So that's sort of that extra architectural detail.
And we're gonna walk from here into the dining room. Well, the stairs that Linda's gonna walk by, those were redone with new hardwood and railing and everything in 2015. Into the dining room, again, beautiful hardwood that carries through into the family room, crown molding, overhead lighting.
Yeah, the nice ceiling fan.
Lots of family time around the table, Thanksgiving.
Yeah, I can see how far you could extend that. So if you're having a big group, you can fit plenty of people in here.
That's exactly what we could do. So the football game was going in here, the fireplace was going in the other room.
I can just picture it, Bill.
Bill was having an IPA maybe.
Bill was just sitting,
I
watching
was
the game.
I was responsible for carving the turkey. Sister Linda always cooked 2 turkeys, so there was plenty of leftovers for people to take home. And again, you'll see in this family room area, all the windows that are here, big picture window to the right, and other windows to the left. Lots of natural sunlight coming through all the time. When they bought the home, this was a porch area. So the main home basically stopped here, and this was like a screened-in porch. So they redid this soon after they moved in, and then they did a full-set dormer up and the 2 more bedrooms up.
Look how nice and open that is. I'm gonna go scan again. Opening to those 2 rooms. It's very pretty. Nice and light. I'll go first.
You go first. And from here, this is the 3rd bedroom. Brand new wall-to-wall carpet. They're obviously using it as an office. 2 good-sized windows and a double closet.
In this home, like Bill mentioned, it's just meticulously maintained. In the updates they've done, the maintenance of the house. Very special home.
You don't even have to change paint colors in this, Linda.
You do not. They're perfect. Another ceiling fan in here.
Correct.
The double closets which are very nice to have as well. So, okay, I'll wait for my comment for the next.
Full bath downstairs. Tile flooring, solid counters, tile around the tub itself.
So what I love about it is you could live just on the first floor.
You could. You absolutely could. That could be the main bedroom, so you don't have to do any stairs at all.
Right, because a lot of times you have maybe a half bath on the first floor, but you've got a bedroom, full bathroom. So if you're a downsizer, perfect. And as we go upstairs, if you're not, and you're an upsizer, or you've got other people you're looking to put in, or you prefer a 2nd floor bedroom, it has that option too.
I'm going to let you go first up the stairs, Linda. We'll go upstairs, and we'll go to the right into the main bedroom. So as Linda gets to the top of the stairs and turns around, you'll see a skylight over the stairs, which is solar powered. I'm going to sneak by her. And the controls are just to the right as you come up the stairs. So a good size, main bedroom, hardwood, double window, then a single on the other side, ceiling fan, crown molding.
And you've got your split system in here as well. So you've got the AC, so you've got the best of both worlds because you have the forced hot water for your heat. You just saw another sneak peek of the backyard.
And what I also love about the system, it's on right now, it's whisper quiet.
Yes.
You hear nothing.
Whisper. So there's again 2 closets. So it's a really nice sized bedroom.
We'll come down into the 2nd floor bathroom, which was redone in 2015.
Some more closet space behind Bill. Plenty of space, plenty of closet space.
So this 2nd bedroom, this was redone in 2021. Hardwood floors, they painted. They also put in new recessed lighting. And this also has one of the split systems in it.
Yep. I'm gonna walk over here so you can see it's a good sized bedroom. Because you are kind of front to back when you add that full shed dormer in, you get the.
I might have it a little bit up, but I believe this one measures 18 by 13. So it is a very good size. Again, the double windows and the single windows. Lots of windows throughout the house for great natural sunlight.
There's your closet, which is a good size. Yeah, very nice. There's the recessed lighting Bill talked about.
So this is one of the thirds. This is 2-zone systems. They have a high efficiency heating system that they installed in 2009. This bathroom itself was redone in 2015. Beautiful tile floor, solid counters.
Linen closet inside. There's your tile surrounded tub. Oh, Katie's on.
Hi, Katie.
show you one more of the sink and counter. Okay, Bill.
So we'll go back downstairs and we're going to sneak out the same way we came in on the deck and take a look at the beautiful backyard that you have. It's really, really pretty backyard.
It's a pretty front door.
Point out where the basement door is, which is normally, for most houses, right under the stairwell. So the basement door is here. We're not gonna go down there, but we did have the professional photographer through today. We took pictures. It's set up with a really nice wood burning stove down there, a couple of chairs,
Nice.
little carpet. It was a great place for them to come in after maybe a cool autumn day of yard work or maybe some shoveling in the winter and warm up by the stove.
Send the kids down. Off you go downstairs, kids.
You could do that, or one of the adults can just go down there and hide.
And I think he said it was a nice dead-end street, but I didn't know if we were on when we said that.
It is, yes. So you're gonna get very little traffic here. You can get plenty of cars here in the driveway, side by side. You can probably get another 6 cars here, and then 2 more in the garage, and we're gonna take a peek inside the garage as well.
A nice walkway. So I'm gonna start
So this
this.
garage is fully insulated. Jack, my brother-in-law, loved to work out here in the garage. He had a portable heater that he would just plug in, or a kerosene heater, would warm this place right up, and he could spend time out here and hide too.
Yeah. So it has storage above. You pull down.
Direct storage up here,
It's a fan.
and plenty of storage space for your yard tools.
Yeah, they have a potting area. Look how clean. Seriously. See? Okay.
That we reconnected?
We have.
Okay. I was just saying, if there's lattice work here under the deck because they have extra storage under there, there is also a portable generator there that will remain with the home. I'll walk out here and move the backyard. I think it's really, really pretty back here. Obviously, you can tell by the way the grass is that they have a full irrigation system. And Jack is on the 4-step program. It's time for step 4. We're good to go.
So your yard goes all the way over. It's kind of where that white lattice work is again.
They put that, the retaining wall you see, they put that in a long, long time ago when they moved in here. And they did one on that side and one on the other side as well.
And then look at your view. So you've got, like, the lots that are your neighbors are long lots. So they go from the street back, so kind of a rectangular shape. But what that allows you to have is all of that privacy, all of that view.
You can see with the bump out here, when they did the kitchen and they bumped it out, you can see the full foundation, getting that extra space.
Steven's watching. Hey, Steven.
The shed that Linda's gonna pan over to, that has power to it. All of those split systems that we talked about, they were installed in 2016 and 2017. They also updated their living room with hardwood paint and windows in 2016. Beautiful little patio with a fire pit. Again, I wasn't lying, nothing to do but relax. So, this home at 26 Pleasant Terrace in Leominster is going to come on at $450,000. We will be live in MLS tomorrow, Tuesday. Showings will begin on Wednesday. Showings through the weekend with an open house on Sunday. We're going to do the open house from 11 to 1 because there's a Patriots game at 1.
There you go.
Hopefully a little bit better than the Patriots game yesterday.
Let's hope.
So a different price for all you Jets and New York Giants fans. All right, we're back on. You may have missed some of it, saying that we're going to go live in MLS tomorrow. Showings start on Wednesday with an open house Sunday, 11 to 1. All offers due on Monday. Again, 26 Pleasant Terrace in Leominster, coming on at $450,000. We appreciate you staying with us for the full video. Please like our Facebook business page so you don't miss any of these good videos, as well as we'll repost this on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel so, again, you don't miss anything.
Let us know if you have any questions. Happy to answer. Happy to set up a showing.
Absolutely. Thanks again, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye.